Good morning, George. Are you ready for breakfast? We're having cereal. Good morning, Mummy Pig. Can we have pancakes today? I don't think we have the right ingredients for pancakes. Please can we have pancakes? Begged Peppa. Okay, we'll have to check the fridge and see what we have. Thanks, Mummy Pig. Yay! Sounds like Peppa's very excited. What do we have in the fridge? Oh dear, not the right ingredients at all. We're going to have to write a shopping list, Peppa, and go shopping, advised Mummy Pig. Here's our shopping list. Let's write down what we need. Firstly, there's 2 pints of milk, 4 eggs, 1 flour. Oh, Mummy Pig, you've spelt flour wrong. Oh, silly me. That's flour. Okay, now let's go shopping. Mummy Pig, Peppa and George head to the supermarket. Danny Dog is at the checkout. Thanks, Candy Cat, for helping me with my shopping. Oh, it's a pleasure, Danny Dog. Enjoy the pasta. Bye. Woof. Bye. Meow. Oh, look. Here's Mummy Pig with her shopping trolley. Now, Peppa, we need to find all the ingredients for the pancakes. Okay, Mummy Pig, I'll go and find them. What shall we get first, George? Why don't you try and find the milk first? Said Mummy Pig. Okay, Mummy Pig, I want to help too. Okay, George, you can help too. Now, where's the milk? Chop, 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 chop. Oh, look! Here it is, Mummy Pig. I found the milk. Well done, Peppa, praised Mummy Pig. I've got 2 pints of milk. Yay! I found the milk. Into the trolley goes the milk. Let's cross it off Mummy Pig's shopping list. I'll go and get the eggs now, Mummy Pig. Okay, Peppa. I found them, Mummy Pig. Gosh, that was quick. Put them in the basket then, and I'll cross them off the list too. Now let's find George. Doop-a-doo. George? George! George has gone to look for the flour. George, have you found the flour? Yes, Mummy Pig. Here it is. Oh, well done, George. Let's put it in the basket. Into the trolley goes the flour. Let's cross it off Mummy Pig's shopping list. Now we need to go to the checkout and pay for the ingredients. Hello, Candy Cat. Oh, hello, Mummy Pig. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. What are you making today? We're making pancakes. Oh, I love pancakes too. I want to make blueberry pancakes, Mummy Pig. Well, we better get home and make some then, George. Bye, Candy Cat. Mummy Pig, Peppa Pig and George are back home with their shopping. There's milk, flour, eggs, blueberries. These pancakes are going to be delicious. Mummy Pig, I'm so excited to make pancakes. I can't wait. Me too. Right, so now we need to add all the ingredients to the mixing bowl. Who wants to help? I do, Mummy Pig. Okie doke. I've got the flour. Okay, let's put it in then, Peppa. I'm so excited. In goes the flour. Whoosh! Well, what's next, Mummy Pig? Well, next, George, we should add the milk. Do you want to do it? Yes, please. Here it is. Glug, glug, glug. Now we have to put in the eggs. Do you have them, Peppa? Here they are. Crack, splash. In it goes. Well done, Peppa. Now what do we do, Mummy Pig? Now we have to stir all the ingredients together. We don't want lumpy pancakes, do we? Bleh. No. Now it's time to cook them in the pan. Mummy Pig better do this bit because it's very hot. Let's pour in the mixture. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Do you think we should toss the pancakes? Yes, Mummy Pig, please. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, the pancake has landed on George's head. Are you okay, George? It tastes great. Well, we should probably put it on a plate first, George. Don't the pancakes look delicious? There's maple syrup and George has a blueberry one. Wow! Who wants some maple syrup? Oh yes, please, Mummy Pig. I'm going to pour some on now. Swoosh. I can't wait anymore. Can I start, Mummy Pig? Oh, please. Oh. Chomp, chomp, chomp. These are delicious. Oh, my piglets.
Hey boys and girls, you're watching Peppa Pig. And today I have this Peppa Pig box. I wonder what could be inside. Wow! Play-Doh eggs. And they're the colours of the rainbow. Cool. There's red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. I wonder if there are any surprises inside. Shall we have a look inside the yellow one? Yellow. What yellow things can we think of? The sun, lemons, melons, bananas. What else? Stars. Oh, and rubber ducks. What's inside? It's George's dinosaur, Mr. Dinosaur. George's favourite dinosaur. Let's pop him in our box. And I wonder what could be inside the green egg. Green. What green things can we think of? The grass is green, and so are leaves on a tree. What else? Dragons and dinosaurs are green too. George's dinosaur is green. Ooh, what's this? It's a ball with stickers inside. I love stickers. There's Peppa and George. Hi, I'm Peppa Pig. Hi, I'm George Pig. What colour next? Orange. Orange. What orange things can we think of? Orange is orange, and so is orange juice. What else? Pumpkins and apricots are orange too. Lots of orange fruit. I see a curly tail. Who is it? It's George Pig. Hi, I'm George Pig, and I'm wearing blue, and I've got black boots on. And look at my little curly tail. Oh, George Pig is so sweet. Thanks. Now, what will be inside our blue egg, I wonder? What blue things can we think of? The sky is blue, and the sea is blue. What else? Blueberries and bluebirds are blue too. Let's have a look inside. Ooh, it looks like something blue as well. It's a yo-yo. So much fun. So I'm just going to wrap it around my finger and play with the yo-yo. Goes down and up and down, down and up. Whee! So much fun. But I want to look inside the next egg. What colour next? Red. What red things can we think of? Apples are red, and so are strawberries and tomatoes. What else? Ladybirds are red too. What's inside our red egg? Ooh, it's a pencil topper. And there's Grandpa Pig on it. And Peppa and George Pig too. Hello, I'm Grandpa Pig, and oh, I do love to write in my diary, so it'll be perfect for me to use this pencil for. Oh, yes. And Peppa and George like writing in their diary too. Purple. What purple things can we think of? Plums and grapes are purple. What else? Violets and lavender are purple too. Now let's have a look inside. Oh, cool! It's a frying pan with fried eggs on top. So yummy. I do love eggs for breakfast. Sunny side up. Now, let's decorate our egg box with stickers. We've got Peppa Pig and George Pig. I love stickers. And make it so pretty. There we go. Perfect for Peppa Pig. So thanks so much for watching, boys and girls. I had so much fun. I hope you did too. And I'll see you next time. Bye, Peppa. Bye.